Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about day 4 of our My W Days event going on right now at Walgreens. And man, we have some fantastic deals to talk about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded some other Walgreens videos for you all this week. So if you missed out on those, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And while in those videos I have put together specific scenarios for each day of the week with our different boosters, the deals themselves are going on all week long. So like the coupon matchups, the sales, those are week-long deals. So make sure that you guys go and check those out. All right, now before we get into today's deals, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody, make sure that y'all check all of your accounts, because they have already uploaded the new boosters for next week. On several of my accounts, I received this earn $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $1. So I'm super excited about that one. And then I believe most accounts received this one. It's earned $7 in rewards when you spend $20 on the Walgreens brand products. Okay, now jumping back into today's deals, we're going to talk about a couple of hidden offers that you may or may not know about. I didn't find out about them until yesterday. So the first one, we do have 30% in Walgreens cash rewards on all Walgreens brand items all week long. And then the second one, we have $20 in Walgreens cash rewards when you use 3 or more of your My W Day offers this week. And like I said, today is day 4. So if you have been following along, if you did the deals Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, today is Wednesday. Hopefully between all 4 of those days you have done at least 3 deals, and you will get back that extra $20 in Walgreens cash rewards. Now I wanted to mention this because I know that a few of you guys have emailed me and you're like, hey, what's going on? Is this a glitch? You know, so I had to do a little digging, and this is what is happening. A lot of people are redeeming their 3rd offer for the week, and they're getting an extra $20 in Walgreens cash back. Now, if that extra $20 does not immediately show up on your account, don't worry about it. Just give it a little bit of time. I know that for some people, it is showing up immediately. For others, it has taken 24 hours. And then I did read the fine print last night, and it can take up to 14 days. So just hang tight, but don't forget about that $20 extra. Now, also another reason why you guys may start seeing some extra Walgreens cash show up on your account is because a lot of accounts have these month-long boosters where, for instance, on my account, I have made 4 purchases and spent $15 on each purchase and earned $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. So if you have some Walgreens cash rewards and you're not quite sure where they came from, just check your account and see if you have one of those monthly boosters on there as well. And then I also wanted to remind everybody about the Walgreens credit card offer going on right now. This one will end on Saturday. So right now, if you sign up for their credit card, you're going to get an extra $50 in Walgreens cash rewards back once you make your first purchase with the card. All right, up next we have free Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to get $15 in Walgreens cash rewards when you turn on post notifications in your Walgreens app. So what you need to do is open up your Walgreens app, click on the account button in the top right hand corner. A little drop down menu will pop up. It's going to look something like this right here. And then you're going to click on notifications and settings. Then you're going to choose post notifications. It's going to look something like this. You're going to want to make sure that those are turned on. And again, you should receive $15 in Walgreens cash back. Now again, this may take some time to show up on your account. I read the fine print last night, and it does say that it can take up to 14 days. So be on the lookout for the extra $15 in Walgreens cash. All right, now let's take a look at the deals for today. So first up, we have 25% off of a $20 purchase online with the code WAG25, or 30% off of a $60 purchase with the code WAG30, plus free 1-hour delivery with the code DELIVER20. And then of course we have our everyday booster where we are earning 25% back in Walgreens cash. We also received that bonus booster for earn $15 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $30. You can do that in-store or online. All right, guys, now we're going to take a quick look at some really good coupon matchups, and I'm just going to let these scroll across your screen here while I kind of talk about today's deals. So with today's bonus booster. So it is a spend $30, get back $15 in Walgreens cash rewards digital booster. Now, what you can do is you could go into the store. If you have a paper booster, you could definitely stack those two together and get back even more Walgreens cash rewards. Or if you want to do a pickup order and take advantage of the extra 25 or 30% off, you can do that as a pickup order and we can combine all three of those deals together. Girl here has been up since 3 or 4 a.m. this morning working on these deals, looking for coupon matchups, trying to find all of the highest value coupon matchups, and putting together different deals to try to come up with some really easy to follow scenarios for us to do today. So I finally settled on 2 different deals, and I think they're pretty easy to follow. We've got some really good coupon matchups, and really it's just going to depend on what you want to do. Do you want to pay the out-of-pocket? Do you have Walgreens cash rewards that you want to spend? And there may be some items included in these scenarios that you just don't need or use, so you may have to do some substitutions. So it's really just going to be up to you guys. But the main thing that I want you guys to remember for today's deal, especially because this is a spend deal where we're getting back Walgreens cash, is that you either have to spend $30 out of pocket, or your cash out of pocket plus your manufacturer coupons must equal $30. Now, hopefully that didn't confuse anybody, but I will make notes in the pinned comment down below, so make sure that y'all check that out. All right, now taking a look at my first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Craz-E Scope toothpaste for $3.50 and one of the Oral-B toothbrushes on sale for $3. These are on promotion. Buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash or a $4 register reward. Now, the rest of the items are not on any kind of special promotion. These are just coupon matchups. So we have the ZzzQuil, the Cremo Shave Cream, we have the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent, the dryer sheets, and the Gain Flings. That's going to put your subtotal at $36.25. All right, now here's a look at my list of coupons that I used for this scenario. Plus, don't forget that you do have to put in the code WAG25 or WAG30. It just depends on your deal and how it works out. I used WAG25. That took off $4.94. So, as we can see here, even after that $4.94 comes off for the promo code, I am still above that $30 spend total. Then your manufacturer coupons are going to be applied, so that's going to take off a total of $14.50. Now, for this scenario, you can use $1 in Walgreens cash rewards and then pay $15.61 plus tax out of pocket. Now, like I said before, our manufacturer coupons plus our cash spent out of pocket must equal the spend amount for the booster. So $14.50 plus $15.61 gets us over that $30 spend threshold. But then you're going to get back $28.36 in Walgreens cash rewards. So that's going to make your final price $2.95 for all 7 items, making each one just 42 cents each. All right, now let's take a look at my second transaction. Now again, all of these have been shown earlier in the video with their coupon matchups. So we've got the Nature's Bounty vitamins, we have the Cottonelle, the Oral-B Floss Picks, the 7th generation dish soap, ZzzQuil, Tampax, the Crest and the Oral-B, and then we have the Cremo and the Gain products. Now, let's take a look at the list of all the coupons that I used. Again, make sure that you type in that code WAG25 or WAG30. This one took off a total of $10.63. But for this scenario, I basically took our first transaction and then I just started building on to it. I started building it up because I wanted the total manufacturer coupons that were coming off to be above $30. So I wanted to have $30 worth of manufacturer coupons on this scenario. That way I could use a bunch of Walgreens cash to pay for the rest. Now, if you don't have Walgreens cash that you want to spend, don't worry about it. You can absolutely pay $32.87 plus tax out of pocket. You will then get back $38.76. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $5.89 moneymaker. Now, if you want to do this deal the exact same way that I did, you can see right here our total in manufacturer coupons is $32. So I went ahead and used $20 in Walgreens cash rewards, and then I paid $12.87 plus tax out of pocket, all right? But then I'm getting back a total of $30.44. Here's the weird part. The $4 register reward for the Crescent Oral-B products, it did print off for me as a pickup order. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. I'm not sure if it's just at my store or what. But either way, you should get back a total of $34.44 in rewards. So that's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $2.44 moneymaker. All right, guys, so there you have it. Another video jam-packed full of awesome deals. So I hope you guys can get out there and score. Please come back and let me know how it all worked out for you. And of course, make sure that you stick around, stay tuned, and turn on those notifications, because tomorrow is a brand new day of our My W Days event. And tomorrow it's all about the beauty and personal care deals. So before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, and do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.